Hello everyone, today I am going to make some Christmas cabochon earrings. I have a couple of Christmas orders to go out and I thought I would show you how I make them in case you'd like to make some yourself. So we have earring settings and these, it's a small one, these are 8mm, 10mm and 12mm, and they're silver plated. We also have the silver plated earring bullet backs for them. These are the cabochons that I'm going to be using. Again, an 8mm will fit an 8mm earring setting. These are candy striped, made of glass, which is a clear glass dome with a photo image glued underneath. Very popular for Christmas. I sell so many of these. Put some of that down here. Otherwise you won't see. They are also available with this pattern. This was a new pattern I introduced last Christmas. Swirly. And those are available in different sizes too. So we have our super glue, earring stoppers, earring cards, some red organza bags, and we're ready to go. So we'll do the big ones first. Work our way down. So be careful how thick or runny your glue actually is. I normally just turn it upside down. We're actually not squeezing anything on there. There's that one. Slight push. This one. You don't need very much at all. These are also available in gold-plated stainless steel, black. There's quite a few colours available on the website, which is www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk if you wanted to have a go at making these yourself. Or to buy them. I sell lots of these on Etsy. I have a link for 40 free listings as well for Etsy if you don't sell on there at the moment. So if you don't sell anything, it doesn't cost you anything. Can you hear the ice cream van? I normally would stop and edit it out, but I'll leave it in for this time. Yeah, so if you wanted to sell on Etsy, have a go. I've got some videos to help you. Like being on there for so long, people were always asking me, how'd you do this, how'd you do that? And I thought, I'm just going to make some videos for people to watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So normally you would leave 24 hours for these to dry, but I'm just going to show you how I pack them up. They won't be going out until 24 hours anyway, so it's absolutely fine as long as I'm careful. So just pop them in the card, push on the back. That's one. Do hope you've had a lovely day today. It's Bank Holiday Monday as I'm recording this. I still have a poorly partner, so we haven't done anything today. I was hoping to go to Stratford-upon-Avon, but we can go again. So apart from shopping, I haven't done anything exciting. Okay, and the last pair. So we have the earrings. So 8mm, 10mm, 12mm. And then I'm just going to pop them in the organza bag. Make nice little stocking fillers as well. I have lots of different patterns and sizes available. People are buying for Christmas now, so if you haven't already, start making if you sell. And what I also do, which I've forgotten to put in this time, is I do also put 2 silicone backs in at the back. So very simple, easy to make, and who doesn't love receiving handmade for Christmas or birthdays or any other time. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have lots of other tutorials available, ideal for the beginner. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.